Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome back to another video. I know it's been kind of crazy in everyone's lives, myself included. And believe me, it's getting harder and harder for me to get these video out. But I am trying my best, and I have not forgotten about the giveaway. I promise it is coming. I will have it done by Monday. Yeah, it's just really crazy here for reasons I'm not going to even get into, but it's been a bad week. So I really need this today, and I want to thank you for joining me. So what I have in front of you is a 14 by 18 canvas that has a coat of White House paint down on it already. Now I am doing I'm doing a Dutch pour, but I'm going to use the Bloom recipe to achieve that. So this is not your typical acrylic pour recipe. If you want to see what those look like, go look up a ring pour, a flip cup, a dirty pour, a straight pour, a chain pull, anything, string pull. Those recipes are your original acrylic pour recipes. This recipe is listed in the box below, and today I am going to do a pastel themed Dutch pour. Easter's right around the corner, believe it or not, even though it doesn't feel like it. And Colourarte is selling the Dragonfly Wing Kit that is 12 beautiful pastel colors. I have here, I will show you them quick. This is Freesia. Now these all shift. So that one shifts from purple to like a violet. This one here is a light pink to a blue. And this is Pink Parasol. So there's 12 of them. You can see them all on the Colourarte website. We have Shy Rose, Papillon, which this is my favorite. It's a light purplish, yeah, like a lavender with a violet shift. And then Robin's Egg. Beautiful. And I'll show you them as I use them because I'm going to use them all. So the kit is on the website. I have a link below to Colourarte's website, and I also have a 20% off coupon for you for any purchase on Colourarte, whether it be those or the beautiful interference colors that you see me using all the time. Everything is there below in the description. So what I'm going to do is put a helping of each color on the canvas. I'm going to use a black cell activator, and I'm hoping that the black with the pastels will really make them shine. I've tried this with white cell activator, and it kind of drowns out the colors a little bit in my opinion. So this is what we're going to do. All right, so this first one is called Firefly. And again, I'm just going to go down the center of the canvas with the colors. So that's like a pale gold with a violet shift. Then this one is Arctic Opal. So light blue with a green shift. Then we have Pixie Dust, which is a gold with a gold interference shift. Well, they all have interference in them. That's what's making them shift. So the base is gold and the color is gold too. Okay. Bright gold yellow, I should say. Then up next, I have here Sweet Pea, which is a light pink with a violet shift. Okay. Robin's Egg is up next, which is a blue with a, I think, blue shift, a very pale just like a robin's egg. That's what it is. The name is very fitting. Then Hydrangea, which is a light purple with a blue shift. Very pretty. So just an FYI, I have updated my Etsy shop, so there are a lot of things in there now. I will link it above and at the end of the video. This is Sea Goddess. Love it. It's a mint with a green shift to it. Absolutely love this color. We want a lot of that. Green is my favorite color. Okay. Then we have Shy Rose, which I already showed you. So this is the Dragonfly Wing Kit. And it comes with a bottle of enamel and I believe a bottle of Polypore. This is Papillon. Oh, I think I showed you that one, but it's a light purple with a violet shift. Very pretty. Pink Parasol, which you have seen. That I know for sure. Okay. Then we have Freesia. And then the last one will be Mermaid Scales. Okay. I believe I showed you that one, but that's a pale aqua with a green shift to it. See, like I have a lot more paint on the end over there, so. All right, so my cell activator is 1 part, or I should say 1 teaspoon of carbon black paint from Golden, the heavy body version of that, with 3 ounces approximately of Floetrol. So it flows off the stick. You want the consistency of this, the colors, and the white paint to all be the same. So the first thing I suggest you do is mix up your colors first. Then once you see what their thickness are, depending on your recipe that you use, because there are tons of recipes, mine is only one of many. Once you see what their thickness is, then what you're going to do is you're going to make your pillow paint. You're going to pour your pillow paint into a cup. You're going to see how much thicker it is than these colors, and you're going to add water until it matches the consistency of these. Then you're going to make your cell activator. You're going to put your black or white paint in the cup. Yes, you can use other colors. Some work, some won't, depending on the brand. And no, I don't know which ones work and which ones don't. And then you're going to add Floetrol until it's the same consistency as these and this. Okay? So what I'm going to do is here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add my cell activator to one area, blow it, and then I'm going to look to see where I want to blow next and then add the cell activator to that area. Now, as far as bubbles go, pop the bubbles before you move on, especially in these colors. These bigger ones tend to not want to pop with the torch. They tend to skin up from the heat. So I pop the bigger ones first, and then I pop all of them with whatever's left with the torch. Now I did drip in my white area here, which is a no-no, but we're going to leave it till the end to see if I need to remove it or not. So let's do this. Let's put some of this right along this area. And now hopefully I've lost the tip to my blow dryer. So I'm hoping I'll be able to do it without the tip. Good. So that's number one. Now we're going to do this area. So I'm going to put some black right here. I use a lot of cell activator. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to blow this down this way. Okay. Then I'm going to do this one upwards. And those colors are just beautiful. Do you see what I did right there? Because I had all that black over the color. So I kind of just put the air down. Well, I blew it down a little bit and then put it on top. And now look at the cells forming. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of do that, but in this more tighter area with the airbrush. See if there's any color under there. May not be. But we'll see what happens. And then what else I'm going to do here? Let's see. We'll do that. Let's see what's in here. And there's all cell activator there. So it will create the cells for you. Just got to play around with it a little bit. All right. I'm just trying to change the edge a little bit so it's not so uniform, we'll say. Get some of this color going under here. And it may not look impressive on screen, but let me tell you something. The colors are magical. And I think I'm going to leave it alone. So I love it. Okay. I was going to mess with the edge, but you know something? I'm digging it, man. I'm digging it. So let me just, now I have these little drips here, so we got to get rid of those, right? So what we'll do is, let's see if we could scoop it off. Can we scoop it off? Probably just pour some more paint over that area to get rid of those. And I'll give you a close-up because it's just absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love it. I'm so happy I used black instead of white. Because like I said, I have tried this once before with the white and it's just not my cup of tea. So just put that white over there. It'll flatten out on its own. No need to hem and haw over it. It'll dry flat. All right, so let me give you guys a close-up. I'm excited. Yes, indeed. Okay, so as always, we will do this way first with the light on. So pretty. So, so pretty. And now we're going to shut the lights off. And here we go. Someone asked, do you need light for these colors to show up? No. Like you'll walk by the painting, you'll be able to see it when it's on the wall. In front of a window or with some sun on it a little bit wouldn't really enhance them, but they're just really, really pretty. So I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm doing, I guess, as good as can be expected. I've been down in the dumps a little bit and just some things going on, you know, it's just crazy. It's just crazy. Maybe I'll have the courage to talk about it in my next video, but I hope you guys are all doing okay. And all the links are below if you need anything like that, okay? I love you all and happy pouring.